chase the winds too. On Halloween we're out to scare you. Halloween is coming. Halloween is coming.
Family animal is it's a guy.
Halloween!
Halloween is celebrated every year on the 31st of October. Long ago, clever people thought that the dead came alive for this one night. Later, people used this fear to remember the dead. It was called All Halloween. Today we celebrate All Saints Day on the 1st of November when we pray for our dead. But not everyone thinks Halloween should be celebrated.
Some people think it celebrates evil spirits and witchcraft.
The people thought that if they dressed up in scary looking costumes, it would stop bad spirits from bothering them. Today, children have fun dressing up as all sorts of creatures. The pumpkin. In America, they call it jack-o'-lanterns. In the past, they were kept outside homes to scare away evil spirits. This started in Ireland when the lanterns were carved out of turnips instead of pumpkins. Later on, lots of Irish people went to live in America. They couldn't find enough turnips, so they used pumpkins instead. Today, people have fun carving all sorts of pictures into the pumpkins. Lots of children also go trick-or-treating at Halloween, going from door to door and getting lovely treats of sweets and nuts. This started a long time ago when children and poor people went from door to door begging for food or money, returns for songs or prayers. Going out trick-or-treating may not be possible this year, but if you are,
Keep safe!
In Scotland, children go guising. They visit houses, sing songs, or tell stories. In Mexico, people celebrate the Day of the Dead. They decorate their homes with flowers and candles and decorate their faces. A big part of Halloween today is sparklers, fireworks, and bonfires. Long ago, bonfires were lit to keep evil spirits away as the days got darker. If you're at a bonfire, stand well back. They can be dangerous and they're part of our Halloween celebration.
Have fun, but keep safe. Fireworks are dangerous.
Only adults should hold or light fireworks. If you're watching fireworks, stand well back. Keep pets indoors. They don't like fireworks. Never go near a firework that has been lit. Even if it hasn't gone off, it could still explode. Fireworks cause more injuries than all other types of fireworks. Always look good when you hold a sparkler. Hold a sparkler away from your body and don't wave it around. You might burn yourself or someone else. Put your sparkler in a bucket of water or sand when it goes out. Don't touch it. It is still hot and can still burn you. Finding out how our parents and grandparents celebrated Halloween in the past. My great granny was a brilliant baker and she wrapped the coins in some paper and she put them in apple pies. Our granddad played with sparklers and squibs. He liked to play pranks on his neighbours. Grandad carved turnips and ate lots of nuts on Halloween.
My granny and granda went trick-or-treating and got lots of apples and oranges.
My daddy played tricks on his neighbours. Mummy ate monkey nuts and toffee apples.
Mommy and Papa made apple tarts and apple dumplings. They had a bonfire.
My granddad ate apples and nuts, and when people weren't looking, he ate after. He also plays knock door and run. When Granny was 7, she dressed up in old clothes and went to scare the neighbours. Daddy liked to dress up as a ghost and use cheap bugs for apples. My mommy played the apple ducking. My nanny and granddad didn't dress up, but they did go trick-or-treating and got sweets and fruit. Granny had costumes made of bin bags.
My granny didn't dress up, but she did eat apple tart with coins hidden inside it.
I dressed up in an old coat and hat with a full face. Nanny dressed up in her mummy's clothes. Nanny Fiona ate apple buns with money hidden inside. She dressed up every Halloween. When my granny was little, she used to leave a big bowl of apples from her orchard at her front door for all the children who came. She also baked apple tart with her mummy and put a ring in the middle. My nanny.
My granny loves Halloween. It's her favourite time of the year.
My granny had a bonfire and played with sparklers. She ate apple tarts with money inside. Whenever you are going to celebrate Halloween this year, we hope you have fun and stay safe.
We'll probably be having some scrumptious food, but probably not like this witch's brew.
Let me see me one leg turn.